My name is Ruth Carter, and I'm the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today I want to share a little bit of my story of how I ended up being a solo attorney, book author, blogger, etc. So it really goes back to my experience in law school. And I had had a lot of experiences in internships and externships and in my life before law school where I knew quite a bit about what I didn't want in a job. You know, I tried to drink the law school Kool-Aid that says you should strive to be at the top of your class and on a journal and want a clerkship and work at a big firm and become a partner someday, all that. And I tried. I really tried to drink the Kool-Aid. But it just wasn't for me. I can't play, the law firm game. So I remember there was one day, I was a second-year law student taking a study break with one of my friends, and we were outside the library, and I just looked at her and I said, "Yeah, I don't want to be a traditional lawyer." And she looked at me as if to say, "Yeah, duh." To her it was obvious. To me it was an epiphany that the traditional law career route was not the path for me. And in that moment, there was a lot of freedom and also a lot of fear, because whereas, if you follow the traditional path, and I'm not dissing the traditional law school, law career path, it works for a lot of people. There's a reason why it's there. It's just not for me. So a ton of freedom that I can do whatever I want. I can pursue, blogging and books and speaking engagements, and I love that. On the flip side, there's no path to follow. There are other solo lawyers, other entrepreneurial minds, both in and out of the legal community, but there's no set path to follow, and there is no certainty in what I do. I am in an eat what you kill situation, so if the money's not coming in, well, then the savings better be paying the bills, and there better be savings there. So yeah, there's a lot of fear in that. But on the flip side, I knew that I kind of had to go after the career that I always wanted. That's why I went to law school, was to change, my career path for the better and to be happy. And so if the traditional path isn't for me, then I had to strike out on my own. And it's been incredibly rewarding. I've been so grateful for the people that have been on this journey with me, my business mentor, my friends, other people in the professional creative community. It's been a real gift, but on the flip side, it can be a little lonely and very uncertain, because you really don't know what's coming next, and you don't know what the next right thing is. Except what your gut feeling is telling you to do. So, that's kind of the life I lead now. It's awesome, and it's amazing, and it's bizarre, and I love it. And I don't know where it's taking me next. I just know I just gotta keep doing, keep going where my gut tells me to go. So, if you're on a similar path where you just need to do your own thing, do it. I respect it. I respect your bravery. I respect your dedication. It's a lot of work, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. So I hope this has been helpful for you to hear a little bit of my story. If you want to, talk more, send me an email. My information's below. And I will catch up with you later. Take care.